Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Merry Christmas, everybody. I hope you're all doing well. What we're going to cover this week is a recipe from the How Not to Drink from Victoria Moore. So what we're going to cover is a hot buttered rum, a really traditional drink that people have at Christmas. Some rum. You can have golden rum. What we're going to use here is dark rum, and the lamb's navy rum is quite ideal for this. Dark sugar, or you can use molasses. And here we've got the date molasses, or you've got black molasses from Meridian, a cinnamon stick and ground nutmeg. This has a really security blanket kind of feel and taste to it. First of all, we are going to slice the butter into the bottom of the glass. Just a small slice. The dark muscovado sugar, we're going to take a generous spoon of that, then mix this into a round glass. Like so. And next we're going to take a shot. I'm going to use 25ml of the navy rum. And we're going to add that to the sugar and the butter. Cocktail spoon's really good. This is a long stirrer. Just sort of muddle that at the bottom. A cinnamon stick in. Boom! And then we're going to add the hot water over the butter. Then we're going to add a pinch of the ground nutmeg over the top. Final little stir. And then here we have the hot buttered rum. Really, really nice. It'll be really interesting to hear what you're having at Christmas and all your winter festive drinks. So I really hope you enjoyed the show. Please do check out the other classic cocktails. And don't forget to subscribe. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Happy Christmas.